Hi, we recently had a conversation with a chartered accountant friend who has been in practice for almost 20 years. When we asked him how his career had progressed since the pandemic, his answer was concerning. He told us that his business has been struggling. We asked him about the services he provides to his clients. He mentioned that he focuses mainly on personal tax, return filings, and company audits. Even though he has two interns and a full time office staff, he's worried about losing them. He simply cannot offer them the financial incentives and career growth they deserve. His turnover hasn't grown. He's stuck doing the same low ticket work he was doing 20 years ago. We realized he hasn't evolved with the changing times. He hasn't diversified his services offerings or expanded his client base. We asked him whether he's working with startups, given the vibrant startup ecosystem in India, where 10 to 15,000 new startups are incorporated every month. Sadly, his response was disheartening. He only assists with basic registrations under Startup India and offers tax exemption advice, which ironically limits his own long term growth. He did not realize the massive potential in providing more advanced, high value services to those clients. Are you facing a similar issue in your practice? The root cause here is clear. He hasn't kept up with emerging trends and he hasn't learned new in demand skills that could transform his business. The market is asking for more and he's still offering the same. There are at least 10 new high value services he could offer startups. For instance, while his startup clients may benefit from tax exemptions, they will still need help with filing returns, handling minimum alternate tax MAT, and navigating international tax regulations. Many startups are expanding globally, making international tax planning and compliance a growing need. Cross border payments, hiring foreign consultants, and global expansion require specialized advice on tax structuring and compliance. This is where international tax and transfer pricing come in. Learning to navigate international tax could allow him to earn 3x to 5x more. Areas like tax litigation, international tax, and transfer pricing are among the most rewarding fields for chartered accountants today. Yet, many CAs are still focused on basic domestic tax compliance and filing services. The Big Four and multinational corporations are constantly looking for tax professionals who can handle international taxation, transfer pricing, and tax disputes. Indian startups, especially in SaaS and fintech, are expanding globally and are eager for guidance in these areas. Let us give you some perspective. International tax professionals, even at the entry level in the Big Four or MNCs, start with salaries around 70,000 to 80,000 per month. Within 5 years, you can be promoted to a managerial position earning between 22 to 30 lakhs annually. If you work hard and aim for a partner or director position, you could be earning between 50 lakhs and 1 crore per year. So, what if you could learn how to offer these in demand services and take your career to the next level? What if you could charge 3x to 5x more for your services just by learning a few new skills? And it doesn't take years, it can happen in just 6 to 12 months. To help professionals like you tap into this massive opportunity, we are hosting a free 3-day live online bootcamp on tax litigation, international tax, and transfer pricing. This bootcamp is your chance to learn exactly how to break into these lucrative areas of practice, build your consultancy, and work with global clients. Navigate compliance in the rapidly evolving global tax arena. Start increasing your billing or land better jobs in just 6 months. This bootcamp will not only provide you with the skills to grow your income, but also offer a clear roadmap for a rewarding future in these high growth areas. Imagine earning 5x more in just a few months, whether by taking on new clients, landing a dream job at a big four, or starting your own international tax consultancy. Don't miss this once in a lifetime opportunity to transform your career. Register today and start your journey toward a higher income, greater career satisfaction, and a future proof practice. We look forward to seeing you there.